Welcome back Royal Dairy YouTube channel. This is the brand of luxuries. Today the particular session is discussing about the GATE P6 question paper syllabus pattern and discussing above. So please see the last end of the session. Okay. This is mainly the syllabus is framed for the nine sections divided in the each topic or MSc graduate level. So, the first session mathematical physics, second classical mechanics, third electromagnetic theory, fourth quantum mechanics, fifth thermodynamics and statistical physics, fifth atomic and molecular physics, seventh one is the solid state physics, eighth one is electronics, and then ninth one is the nuclear and particle physics. Okay. This is the main topic of the GATE syllabus, and the subtopic of each topics. Okay, each 9 topics is a subtopic I will discussing. So the first one, mathematical physics, the subtopic, vector calculus, linear vector space, orthogonality and competence, matrix, similarity transformation, diagonalization, eigenvalue and eigenvectors, linear differential equation, second order linear differential equation, solution involving Bessel function, complex analysis, Cauchy-Riemann condition, Cauchy's theorem, singularity, reduced theorem and applications, Laplace transform, Fourier's analysis, elementary idea about tensor, covariant and contravariant tensor. This is a subtopic of mathematical physics. It is easy. And second one, classical mechanics, Lagrangian formulation, D'Alem's principle, Euler-Lagrangian equation, Hamilton principle, calculation of variation, symmetry and conservation law. Next the central force motion, Kepler's law, Rutherford scattering, small oscillation, coupled oscillation and normal nodes, rigid body dynamics, interior tension, orthogonal transformation, Euler angle, turquoise of free motion of the symmetric top, Hamilton and Hamilton equation of motion, Lewis theorem, canonical transformation, action angle variables, Poisson brackets, Hamilton Jacobi equation. And this special theory of relativity is covered in Lorentz transformation, relativist kinematic, energy mass equation. Okay, this is a subtopic of classical mechanics. And third, electromagnetic theory. Okay, the solution of electrostatic and magnetics problem, including boundary value problem, methods of image, separation of variables, dielectric and conductor, magnetic material, multipole expansion, Maxwell's equation, scalar and vector potential, Coulomb and Lorentz gases, electromagnetic wave in free phase, non-conducting and conducting media, reflection and transmission at normal and oblique impedance, polarization of electromagnetic waves, Pauling vector, Pauling theorem, energy and momentum of electromagnetic waves, radiation from the moving charge. And fourth one, quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics subtopic, postulation of quantum mechanics, ancestry principle, Schrodinger equation, Dirac-Dirac notation, linear vectors and operators in Hilbert phase, one-dimensional potential, step potential, finite rectangular well, tunneling from the pointed barrier, particle in a box, harmonic oscillator, 2 and 3 dimensional system, concept of degeneracy, hydrogen atom, angular momentum and spin, addition of angular momenta, variational method of WKB approximation, time independent perturbation theory, elementary scattering theory, Born approximation, symmetric and quantum mechanical system. Okay. Next, the thermodynamics and statistical physics, law of thermodynamics, microstat and microstats, phase, ensemble, partition function, free energy, calculation of thermodynamics quantities, classical and quantum statistics, degenerate Fermi gas, black body radiation and Planck distribution law, Bose-Einstein concentration, first and second order phase transmission, phase equilibria, critical point. And sixth, atomic and molecular physics, spectra and one and many electron atom, spin orbit interaction, LS and JJ couplings, fine and hyperfine structure, Zeeman and Stark effect, electric dipole transition and selection rule, rotational and vibrational spectra of diatomic molecules. Next, electro transition in the diatomic molecules, Frank Gordon principle, Raman effect, EPR, NMR, ESR, X-ray spectra. laser Einstein coefficient population invariance 2 and 3 level of this system. Next, seventh section of this solid state physics. Okay, this is a subtopic element of the crystallography, diffraction method of structure of determination, binding on solid lattice variational and thermal properties of solid, free electron theory, bond theory of solid, neatly free electron and tight binding models, metals, semiconductor and insulator, conductivity, mobility and effective mass is a subtopic, and optical properties of solid, Kerr-Gaussian relation, inter and interband transition, dielectric properties of solid, dielectric function, polarity, ferroelectricity, magnetic properties of solid, dia, para, ferro, antiferro and ferromagnetism, domain and magnetic anti-spectro, superconductivity, type 1, type 2 superconductor, Mison's effect, London equation, BCS theory, flux quantitation. And eighth one, uh, semiconductor in equilibrium, electron and hole statics in inelastic and extrinsic semiconductor, metal semiconductor junction, harmonic and rectifier conduct, PN diodes, bipolar junction transistor, field effect transistor, negative and positive feedback circuit, oscillator, operational amplifier, active filter, base of digital logic circuit, combinational of sequence of circuit, flip-flop, timer, counter, resistor, and AD converter, DA converter conversions. Okay, the last session, particle physics, this nuclear radiation and charge distribution, nuclear binding energy, electric and magnetic momentum, semi-empirical mass formula, nuclear methods and equilibrium drop model, nuclear shell model, nuclear force and two nuclear power, alpha decay, beta decay, electromagnetic transition in nuclei, Rutherford scattering, nuclear reaction, conservation law, fission and fusion. Okay, particle acceleration and detector, elementary particle, photons, bosons, meson and lepton, quark model, conservation law, isopin symmetric, charge conjunction, polarity and time reverse invariance. So this is the ninth section is a very important, and the basically study on the last or fourth session is a very important, because the lot of question is facing on this session. Okay, this is a I mean the Jagadish Sharma. So I have cracked the. Okay, I have the started the everyday practical weekly or test batches, and they're discussing question paper, discussing problem solving, discussing in my personal Telegram grouping. So please, interested student is kindly join, and helpful student please share the video and subscribe and more like, and you can comment on this session. If any upcoming videos updates are any needed, you can comment on this section. You can follow up my YouTube pages and Telegram, WhatsApp. You can direct messaging me, so you can accepting all requested. So if you wanted the any say entrance examination study material, please asking me on the comment section. So I will providing of the all entrance examination facilities on the physics subject only. So very useful for your preparation or your career futures. You can this video is seeing the parents or student or the physics major. So very helpful for this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.